Welcome to another day in our journey of life. It is such a beautiful day here. Right now we're working on getting our meat birds separated out. They'll be 9 weeks here in a few days, and those guys are getting really fat, and the time has come where we're going to be processing them here starting next weekend. So we're going to get a piece of fence and get the fatter ones separated out. Jason's working on getting a piece of fence. We're going to get the bigger ones separated out, and we'll see where we go from here. Chickens are way down at this end now. I've been moving them a couple times a day.
They just have better luck not getting the strings in there. 3 nights, I think it was. Come on, chickies.
We need to get these guys separated. They'll be 9 weeks here in a couple days. I think we're gonna take the top halfway back and get the fence in the middle here. And then we're gonna work on getting the fatter ones separated to one side, because next week we're gonna start processing the first half of these birds. Jason said he picked one up the other day, and
they're 20 pounders. They're heavy.
Yeah, they're definitely ready to go to the freezer.
There's some big fatties in here for sure.
Oh yeah. So what are we doing first? I guess we need to get this top back before we get the fence in, huh?
Yeah, then we'll have to figure out the feeders.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna have to get back here to push all the birds up here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to push them to one side. Alright, everybody needs to go that way. That way. Come on. Come on. Come on, fatties. Come on, fatties. Come on, fatties. Everybody this way. This way. That way. Keep moving. You can probably stay, you're fat.
Come on, we're going this way. Come on.
You're fat too. Holy cow, you guys are big. Come on. 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 That way.
Going this way.
You're right on the line there, man. Come on.
Come on.
All right. All right. That way.
It's gonna be a little short for right now.
Everybody's to one side. Gotta pick out all the fatties. They're all fat. Divider.
Yeah, put one there where your left hand's at. Yep, anywhere you can get it.
Alright. So you want to keep the fat ones on this side and move the
little ones over there.
To your right, you're observing those two little boxes, and he told me
27. Huh?
Yeah. All right, they're all good. Got them separated. The big fatties to the little fatties. We got them all separated. Fatties in the front, little fatties in the back. And they're ready for next weekend. That way, come next weekend, we will be able to continue to feed the back flock and be able to hold feed the day before processing for these guys up here.
Skitter cleaned up nice, didn't it?
Yes, babe.
Show them the skitter. It cleaned up nice.
Yeah, cleaned up nice. Still looks dirty to me. Chickens are all separated in preparation for processing next week. They're not gonna like that, but don't tell them.
I'm not gonna like that.
Now we're headed to the garden to pull the onions because we have yet to do that. We should have done it in the 2-month drought that we had, and then we got a week of rain and had to wait again. So finally gonna get the onions out. Oh, the carrots look like they're
They looked pretty good the other night. Quentin and I were over here looking around. I think it was.
Still don't think we're gonna get any, but they look good. We'll see how we did with the onions. We've basically given up on the garden for the year. We've got lots of peppers though. I guess we could pull some more peppers and tomatoes. Everything's so overgrown. Those flowers are really looking nice though.
We could probably pick through. There's a nice tomato down there for dinner.
See the flowers look. Yeah, we've got lots of little cherry tomatoes.
There's a fat
Have
one
for a
right there.
salad. Yeah, and some peppers. I'm excited to see how these onions look.
Quentin was laughing. He said, "There's cantaloupe flying everywhere." Look at the peas.
Uh-oh. Oh, I hope we didn't wait too long.
I told you.
Dang it. Honestly, I'd just kind of given up hope on the garden, to be honest.
Well, it is October.
Yeah. Do we just yank these out? They're basically above ground. Oh yeah, they're okay. It's just that top layer,
Yeah.
the protective layer.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure.
Should we leave this on? Wow, that's a big one. Ooh. Yeah, the ground still feels a little damp yet. Ooh, you can smell that. Wow.
I think you have to take the roots off of them.
And some nice little ones. These things are like jammed in there.
Those need to be cut off. They're slimy. That's a nice onion there. You can smell them, can't you?
Mm-hmm. should have counted. I wasn't counting.
No, I didn't either. There's a lot here.
They look really good though. Yellow onion. A
lot better than last year, eh?
Yeah.
They look really good.
Nice and dry. Did I tell you we still had an onion from last year in the root cellar that was good?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
We definitely got enough onions for the year though. I was kind of worried we weren't going to have enough.
Oh my, yeah. And then some. We got enough onions for a couple of years.
We had over half didn't come up.
I don't remember if you're supposed to top them.
I can't believe how green these stalks still are. That makes me wonder, like, before they fell over and died like these ones did. I wonder if that's because they didn't have enough dirt.
Maybe. Yeah, they weren't,
They weren't deep enough.
yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That's a double.
Heart-shaped onion.
Well, now we need to figure out if we need to cut all this off or let it dry like that. See, that's what they were last year. Just had like a few. I'm guessing that's why they didn't grow, because these were seeds from last year. Oh wow, there are some little ones in there. Oh! Oh boy, it's gonna be a treasure hunt over here for these ones. Oh, here's one. Lots of onions. Definitely a lot better this year than last year. Also need to figure out whether or not we keep the stems or just let them dry with that.
I'm pretty sure we leave the stem to let them dry.
And wait for them to dry.
Show them the squash plant coming back. Me and Quentin saw that last night.
Huh. Yeah, it is. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got new fruit flowers on it.
Wow.
Up here.
Yeah. Look how good those flowers still look too.
In October.
I just cut them last week. That's probably why.
I hate to say it, but it's time to...
I love that candela. Look how pretty that is. Look how big they're getting too.
I think we need to spend the day over here tomorrow.
I was just gonna
with
say,
the tractor.
we cut all these sunflowers down.
Get everything hauled over to the compost pile.
I think I want to keep this one for seed.
This big tall one?
Yeah, just that one.
Yep. No selective.
I don't need all of them like last year.
Selective breeding.
We'll keep the best one. Do you want to check the carrots? Ooh, I can smell those onions though. Holy moly. Yeah, the garden's done for.
Yeah. I would imagine last year we probably still had things going, a few things here and there in October also. It might not be.
I don't think we did.
I think it's odd. I think it's odd. They said the high for this time of year is right above 60 degrees, and we're in the 80s.
Yeah, these peas are looking good though. We might get a few peas, I don't know.
There's pea pods up there.
Yeah.
A day or two, they'll be ready.
There's not going to be enough to do anything with them.
Yeah, there will be. We just need a little bit more time.
No. That's what our carrots look like. Darn deer. There we go. Naya, did you find a bean? Ready, go! go. Oh. We found that to dry them, you leave them how they are, lay them out in a warm, shady, well-ventilated area to let them cure until the stems and roots get dry and brittle. So Jason pulled the shelves from the root cellar and we got it on the table on the porch. We'll lay them single file and probably cover them with like a sheet to allow them to dry until they cure. Here we are. Nice little
Set
area
this
over
on
here.
the middle rack.
Can't we just set it down here? I don't want to go in the rack. Wow, those smell. Some big ones, some little ones, some as big as your head. You smell those?
How about I set them up here for you?
Okay.
Because I know I'm going to do it wrong.
That will do. Did you count them? I think we got more than what we can count this year. That's a good thing. I'm actually really happy with the onion harvest this year. Definitely a lot better than last year.
Yeah, we lost a lot of them last year because of rot. We left them in the ground too long.
Yeah, a lot of little ones. I mean, we should have thinned them out, but it was still a trial and error type of year.
Some of these little ones are okay because we're only 2 people.
Yeah. Yeah, we definitely got more than
cut up a small one to put on wieners, or you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah. And probably just eat a lot of them.
big ones for on roasts, and little ones for on burgers.
We're not really the type of people that like raw onions. Like
I like onion on hot dogs.
But how often do we eat hot dogs?
Not very often. Look at that thing. It's like an aloe plant.
Oh, it does look like an aloe plant.
I was just waiting to get some onions.
We don't really have a whole lot of big ones that were planted too close. Definitely have to thin them next year to get some more big round ones. Wow.
There's a lot there.
We got a lot. Yeah, they smell good.
Yeah, we'll be giving some of them away.
Oh, yeah. Happy with it, though.
Yeah, that's
awesome. We didn't have any rotten ones.
No.
Last year, half our crop was rotten.
Yeah, yes.
So that's good.
What do we cover it with?
A sheet.